On January 29th, University of South Carolina Upstate officially launched the CHAMPS Beatty Center Medicolegal Partnership during a celebration at the George Dean Johnson Jr. College of Business and Economics. The partnership brought together the USC School of Law's Carolina Health Advocacy Medicolegal Partnership, USC Upstate's Beatty Center for Justice and Society, and Spartanburg Regional Healthcare System to address the medical and legal needs of families affected by housing instability, food insecurity, and other social factors. University leaders noted that many unmet legal needs were tied to basic necessities and that this partnership expanded access to care in a new way.
Now here's what I'm most excited about, as well as serving the community, but our students. Giving our students opportunities to actually work, to intern, to get involved and engage in the community, so that when they go to law school, they'll be a much more informed student.
The partnership was designed not only to serve the community, but also to provide meaningful, hands-on learning opportunities for USC Upstate students. During the event, Dr. Allison Ellis, director of the Beatty Center for Justice and Society, shared these insights.
I think that it really has the potential to make a large positive impact the Spartanburg community and really the greater Spartanburg community, so Union and Cherokee counties as well. We have, a lot of families that fall below the poverty line, but also that are kind of just above the poverty line and don't have the ability to hire attorneys for civil legal help. And so being able to fill that gap and offer them that help as a way to help promote better health outcomes, right? And so families that have these health-harming legal needs, being able to assist with those, and that would be things like substandard housing, denial of access to benefits, even making sure that students through IEPs are receiving the services they need to in schools. We can help with all of those sorts of things, and those are issues that otherwise they probably wouldn't have the financial ability to address themselves, and so then they would just kind of go unaddressed.
At the event, Dr. Boone highlighted these key aspects of the program.
Some of the biggest impacts is just having a resource for families that are struggling with things like, there's problems in the apartment and they can't live there because there's mold or lead or something and everybody's sick. So helping those families. And I think the biggest impact, and we heard people talk about this today, is a greater understanding that there's a difference between poverty and maltreatment. And we don't want to report families that are just poor to DSS and potentially have their children taken away, when if we could just help them with some of these poverty issues, or maybe there's an issue with a 504 plan at a school. It'll be a big impact, and the more that people hear about it and learn about it, there'll be more referrals, and we'll just continue to provide that support for families in Spartanburg, Cherokee, and Union counties.
The CHAMPS Beatty Center Medical Legal Partnership was located on the 3rd floor of the George Dean Johnson Jr. College of Business and Economics. For more information, individuals were encouraged to contact Dr. Allison Ellis.